Hello everybody, welcome back to physics. We are going to learn how to make a double Desmos graph. So here we are at desmos.com. I've signed in to my account. There I am, Miss Medrano. And so here we are. So click on graphing calculator and it's going to pop up a whole new graph. And so what I'm going to do is make a table, right? And so I'm going to make a table of some information about my whatever the item is, right? So I'm going to take maybe 6 or 7 points. All right. And then, so that's my first data table. And I'm going to type in my equation. So which is going to be y1 squiggle line mx1 plus b. And so then I'm going to just match my line by holding down. So to match it, you just hold down on this part right here, and then this will come up and I'll match the color with this first table, which is green. So now I have green dots and green lines to match. All right, so next I'm going to make one for my second information. All right, so I want to point out that x1 here is going to be the x1 that matches here. And then y1 here is the y1 that matches here. All right, so for the second table, maybe at 0 seconds, I start at, I don't know, 4. And so then I'm going to go ahead and make another table of information. I think I'm making it up. So yeah. All right, and so maybe I'll make one extra one here because I made one extra one down there. All right, so now I want to make sure the colors change. So I'm holding, what I'm going to do is hold this down, and then I will either choose this, or maybe I want to choose open circles or X's. Okay, whatever it is that you want to choose. I'm going to go back and choose the closed dot, and I want to choose purple. And then in this row 4 right here, I'm going to choose y2 squiggle line mx2 plus b. And once again, I'm going to just match my line with my dots. So there we are. And since this is a position time graph, I'm going to click on the wrench. I'm going to call my x-axis time, and then I'm going to call my y-axis position, because that's what we are measuring. Maybe it's in meters, maybe it's in centimeters, maybe it's in kilometers, who knows? Make sure that your units match. And then I'm going to title this maybe Unit 2 graph, or summative assessment, or billiard balls. Okay, so there you go. That is how to make your double Desmos graph.